Hello, Jess. So today we'll be adding fractions with uncommon denominators. So your learning attention for today, you'll be, by using area models, I will learn to add fractions with uncommon denominators. The success criteria, when you can show mastery, you'll be able to use your area models to add two fractions with uncommon denominators. So let's do the I do section. On the I do, I'd like you to follow along and write down each step in your math journals. So you're gonna have to get your math journals out and get your pencils and get a color pencil or pen or marker. You're gonna need a red, a blue, and a purple one for this example. But if you don't have it, that's fine. Just go and write it down, or you can use your highlighter if you want. So step one, I want you to write down this problem. 2 over 5 plus 3/4. Okay, I want you to please put the 5 in blue and put the 4 on 3/4 in red. I want you to color the denominators. On 2/5, the fifth will be the blue and the 4 will be the red. Step 1, make a box. So make a box in your journal that's kind of this size. So that you can divide into and write. Don't make it small, don't make it too big. Make it medium-sized manageable. So make a box. Step 2, I want you to start inserting lines. Now, we're going to start with the vertical lines going up and down. Now, I want you to look at the color blue. Okay, we're going to do your first problem 2/5. Okay, your denominator is 5. So what we want to do is we want to divide your box into 5 up and down pieces. Alright? That's how many parts you have in the denominator. Now we're going to go to your horizontal lines, side to side. Now how many pieces do you think you're going to divide your box into? You're right, 4. Because your denominator is 4. So when we divide everything, it's going to be 4. Now, I want you to count all the boxes you have now, right here. Let's count together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So now we have 20 pieces in your box. And this will be a new denominator, 20. So this is called your common denominator with these two fractions. Step number 3. We're going to shade in the numerators. Okay? Now, remember, our numerators are the top part of our fractions. So on the blue, going up and down, we're going to shade 2 columns. So let's shade them in. So we shade in the 2 columns already. Now we're going to do the 3/4. How many rows, these are rows, are we going to shade in? You're right, 3. Because there's 3/4. The numerator is 3, so you can go 3 side-to-side rows. That's 1, 2, 3. Now, I want you to notice something. When you shade into the rows, what happens to the ones that are blended? Well, we all know they're blue. If you mix blue and red, what color synthesizes? You're right, purple. If you shade in blue with the red, it's going to turn purple. So, step number 4, count the boxes that are blended with the 2 colors, and this will be your numerator. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. Your new numerator is 6/4. 6, excuse me. So, we have a new number that represents this area model. 20 boxes, the ones that are blended are 6. So we have 620. Now, if we complete our equation, 2/5 plus 3/4, by using our area model, we can find the solution to this problem, which is 620. Now, we all learned how to simplify fractions. We're going to review that next time. But for now, 620, if you simplify it, will be, yes, you're right, 3/10. But we're going to work on that tomorrow to make sure that you guys are able to simplify it by using your number cloud. And it's something we learned already earlier this year. So, now we're going to check for understanding. I want you guys to break into your groups with your partners, right? And I want you to work together to add these two fractions with uncommon denominators. Now, if you get stuck, remember, go back to your notebook and know you can do each step that we learned. Step 1 through 5, 1 through 4, in order to find the solution to your problem. So, you guys, I'm gonna have you guys go into groups, and with that, I'm gonna give you guys 10 minutes to complete together, and then we're gonna have a group member to demonstrate how you guys got that problem. I'm gonna circulate around to make sure you guys are doing it right.